Hey everyone, Meg here with I Teach Stamping, and today we're going to be making a cute little hello card. I'm using the Tropical Leaf stamp set, and I'm using some garden green ink, and I'm just going to stamp 2 of these leaves onto some basic white cardstock. Not really concerned where I stamp these because I'm going to punch them out. Then I'm going to go over it with a darker green. I'm using shaded spruce, and it's just going to give me the veining in those leaves. Now it may be a little bit hard to see, but when the ink fully dries, that darker green definitely pops. I'm going to go back into my lighter shade of green, that garden green, with my sentiment. This comes from the same stamp set. Then I'm ready to do my punching. I love stamp sets that have coordinating punches. We're going to punch out both of these leaves, and then we're ready to move on to the next step. We're going to dry emboss some white cardstock that's 4 inches by 5 1/4 inches with the 3D embossing folder. Then I'm going to add a little scrap strip of crumb cake cardstock behind my sentiment layer. This little pop of crumb cake is really going to stand out when I add this to the dry embossed piece. Try it with the little scrap and also without and see the difference. All right, garden green for our card base. I'm going to add that dry embossed layer onto my card front, just like that. And then we're ready to add our leaves. I'm going to use regular seal adhesive, which is just a tape runner, for my first leaf. And then I'm using 2 dimensionals behind my second leaf and get that into place. I'm going to finish these off with some enamel dots. These are in a crumb cake color, so it's going to coordinate with the little strip that we added underneath our sentiment. I'm going to put 2 on the left side and then 1 up above. And just like that, my friends, our card is done. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. Again, I'm Meg from I Teach Stamping. Have a great day.